No need to sail in polar regions, to chase the thrill of icebergs, to get close to the ice, to let it grasp you, or hope to escape its grip, to need to insulate your hatches, portholes, and glazing. Hi, traveler, sailor, welcome to La Tête à l'envers, the channel for sailors who do things differently. If you are planning to sail in the temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius, this video is for you. At those temperatures, condensation, dripping water, and fogged windows will make your life difficult. By the end of this video, you'll know how to avoid all these issues. We'll show you how, in just a few minutes, you can effectively and affordably insulate all your hatches, portholes, and glazing. Don't wait for the frames to start dripping, for condensation to form, for your hatches to frost over, or for fog to blur your vision, because a simple plastic wrap can change it all.
Regarding the materials, here's what you need to have. Cooking oil, salad oil, a small bowl to hold the oil, a brush for applying plastic food wrap. If you can find wide ones, that's better. That way you can do it all at once on the covers. Otherwise, standard ones will work just fine. Just surpass by 3/4 centimeters. We apply like this, especially don't put any oil, and it's waterproof, no worries. And at the cut, that's it. So the principle is to trap a layer of air between the glazing and the plastic film. To do this, we put the oil on the edge like this. Afterwards, we apply the film, and we can stretch it like this on each side. And after a week, the oil hardens and the film is stable like this. Once that's done with the cutter, we cut the edges, the excess after a week, it's easier. And this is an old film. After more than a year, we can see that it holds up well against UV rays, and the result is really impressive.
A bit of oil into a bowl, and let's get started. To begin, choose something small to practice and get the hang of it. Once the oil is applied, wash your hands thoroughly to avoid altering the translucent part of the wrap. Next, unroll the wrap and apply it. After separating the wrap from the roll, stretch it by applying pressure on the sides. For portholes, you can cut off the excess immediately. For larger glazing, it's better to wait a week to allow the oil to set. Now that we are warmed up, let's keep going. Hatches, portholes, glazing, and don't forget the vents. Let's insulate whatever we can. are so translucent that you can sometimes forget about them and accidentally puncture them with your finger, for example. Condensation forms immediately behind the hole. No problem. Simply cut off the torn part and apply a slightly larger piece of cling film. It will stick by itself.
Now you are ready for winter. So if you enjoy this video, like it. If you like to follow our adventure, subscribe.
And if you have friends who might be interested in this video, share it.
Fair
Fair winds.